Hey, what's up? Welcome to Degen Ed. That's degenerative education, meaning none of this is financial advice. Just me having fun looking at charts like the chart behind me, which is of Nikola, ticker symbol NKLA. And so I just wanted to do a follow up on this since I had suggested a 30% move could happen, and actually more than that happened. And so I just wanted to kind of give an update on that. So basically, I saw this gap down and was thinking that one of these levels, marked here in blue, red, orange, and yellow, could serve as support. As it turns out, the orange level at 70.5 cents served as support. I suggested that it would be about 3 days of consolidation around that level, which we saw between December 8th, 11th, and 12th. And so basically, yeah, we saw consolidation right around 70.5 cents, kind of an approximate level. And then the following day, December 13th, we saw an 11% move on the day. But during the one of my last videos, I had suggested that there could be a 30% move going up to test the bottom side of this wedge marked in this white diagonal line. And so what we actually got was a more than 30% move going up to a high on December 20th of $1. Psychological level makes sense. And so that was hit, and from 70.5 cents up into about $1, more than 40% swing there. So I think that was pretty great. I unfortunately did not partake in that, but it was a great exercise for me. I'm really proud to see how this played out. And also, what I think is really nice is there weren't any gaps formed on the moves up. However, there was a close on, let's see, what's the day here? December 13th, close at 79.96 cents, and then the following trading day had an open a little above that, so there is a gap in that sense, but the wick on the 13th does overlap with the low on the 14th. So what I see is some consolidation going on right now, following this, wick up to $1, which actually filled the gap going back to December 6th when it gapped down. The low on that day was 97.23 cents. And so that looks like it was actually filled on December 15th. And then we've seen some sideways consolidation approximately around this yellow line that I had previously shown at 85.5 cents. And so what I would like to see is tomorrow, Friday, the weekly close, closing above 85.5 cents for a potential continuation to the upside, to move back into that channel, to move back into that wedge, and potentially break into the dollar range. But, one thing, if we do look at this volume profile, we do see what looks like a little bit of weakness right around, between 76, 79 cents, something like that. So I do think there is a possibility that it does return to that level, possibly even returning to 70.5 cents, and ideally not breaking below that, maybe with these candles here serving as support with maybe a low of 72 cents before continuation higher. So yeah, what I'm hoping, like I said, is close Friday above 85.5 cents. I think that would be really, really good. But, we'll have to wait and see. And let's see. If we look at the RSI, it's around 44. So I do think that could, definitely move higher. And I do think the price could go up into the wedge. And I should note this with the volume profile, the point of interest, which is basically, where we see all of this volume in this sideways, consolidation there. We see this peak there, and that is right around 97 cents. So I do think that If the price is able to hold above 85.5 cents, closing this week above that, I do think 97 cents is going to be a significant level to break above, which may actually coincide with the bottom of this wedge. So there could be a good amount of resistance there. It would be great to see it break above that. And yeah, if you found this helpful, make sure you like the video, share your thoughts in the comments below, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thank you so much for watching.